Good morning, everybody. Welcome to Stumpy Outdoors. Today we're going to talk about my motor mount and how I mounted my trolling motor to my Coosa HD kayak. Let's get started. I decided to start with the Motor Guide R3, 30-pound thrust, 12 volt. I decided to go cheap. I thought if I really liked the way it performed, I could always upgrade to a little bit stronger trolling motor, maybe a digital, something that would give me a little more battery life. I constructed my rack and my mount out of Schedule 40 PVC. I used the existing rod holders that were in the boat, and then I incorporated a solid oak board that I used to actually mount the trolling motor itself to. This seems to be a fairly stable, strong mount. There's not much play to keep it stable at all times, so there's no chance of it coming out. I used a piece of angle and attached it down to the yak rack to hold everything in place, so there's not a chance of it falling out if I get in a bad situation out on the lake. My rod holders that are part of my motor mount, I made the corner pieces where I can swing them out the side. I can use this for trolling if needed, and then I can swing them back to the inside when I'm ready to transport and while fishing. I did this because I like my rod tips to be more towards the center of the boat. The mount itself was wide enough that when I tried to cast, I could see that the rod tips were going to be in my way a little bit if they were straight back. So I sort of killed two birds with one stone on that. Though that's about the main part of how I mounted everything. I did use all stainless steel hardware except for the aluminum bracket. I didn't want to have a rusted up mess on my boat. We're going to hook up to the truck and we'll go head to the lake, and we'll be back with a second video showing how this performs on the water. Thank you. Have a good day. Please join Stumpy Outdoors and like if you do. Thank you.